Does your organization suffer from not knowing where your assets or resources are? Do you have to rent or purchase extra equipment when you think you already have enough to do the job? Do you have trouble finding tools or equipment you know you own? If these issues affect your business, you may benefit from Zebra MotionWorks asset tracking solutions. Having the ability to manage critical assets in real time can make your operation more efficient and your business more productive. Zebra MotionWorks Asset Location Solutions go beyond just telling you the location of your assets. It allows you to combine knowledge of your assets and your resources, all within the context of your workflows and business. The first step is to attach wireless beacons to your assets and resources. Next, we install sensors that receive the tag signals and forward the tag data to the Savannah Location Engine, which aggregates and analyzes all of the sensor data across the operation and determines the location of your assets. The location data and other related information can then be displayed through the console or on a map, or provided to other applications. The combination of sensors, data, and analytics from the Savannah Location Engine is the Zebra MotionWorks solution. Zebra MotionWorks determines asset location to help you analyze if your assets are where they should be, when they're needed, as well as how they got there. Access to real-time and historical location data can help you understand your operation, make informed decisions, and optimize your business. MotionWorks Asset, only from Zebra.